Happy Easter! Welcome to Stayf Draws. I'm Stayf, a Dutch illustrator and animator. And in this video I'm going to show you the brushes I downloaded from Photoshop into Adobe Photoshop Sketch. So I made this image for Easter. It's with an Easter bunny. And I used the brushes by t.webster, and this is Adobe Photoshop Sketch. What you can do is, if you have bought the brushes of t.webster or have your own brushes and have uploaded it to Adobe Creative Cloud, then you can import them into Adobe Photoshop Sketch. So when you press on a brush and hold it, you can add some new brushes to it by tapping on the add button. And I made a mistake of downloading all the brushes I bought of t.webster, so I have a lot of them. But what I really was interested in was the Gouache Golden. It's a brush set which also has brushes that are called Blair Dry, and they're called after Mary Blair, and I really like her style. I already did another video about it, and these are some of the brushes that are available in the brush set. So when you press on the brush and press on the settings, then you get a little pop-up, and here you can test out the brushes. So I made this image with some of the brushes in the golden, the Gouache Golden set, and also I have downloaded some other brushes as well. There is the Classics, and they have a lot more bigger brushes. And here you download all the brushes into Adobe Photoshop Sketch. And some of the brushes can, be really big, like the Bonus Chunky Charcoal. And when you tap on it and tap on it again, then you can change the settings and you can adjust the size to a very large size. And I did the grass structure with that brush. So I'm now going to play the time lapse of this painting. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me and support me on my Patreon page. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. Drawing is fun and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!